ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 51 समासे समासप्रकरणे अन्तिम अभ्यासः। When we finish this, we will do revision of samasa and then move on. So first we will see the abhyasa 51. क शब्दानि सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु।
पाचकः रसोइया कुक, मोदकः लड्डू, अपूपः पुआ। व्हाट इज पुआ?
पुआ स्वीट, वो जो
स्वीट
खीर जैसे।
ओके पुआ।
हाँ ना आबाजी क्या है?
पैनकेक जैसा होता है जिस
अच्छा
the flat bread sort of a thing that you put it in the खीर।
अच्छा हाँ हाँ, खीर में जो डालते हैं,
खीर में जो डालते हैं वो। आप तो मतलब भंडारास में तो होता ही है ये आइटम। एक ना एक दिन तो आपने खाया ही होगा। या
ऑब्जर्वेटली यहाँ पे तो होता है।
हाँ
ओके। सूप दाल
और सूप, सूप
या इट्स सूप रियली। एंड शाकः साग, व्हिच इज आल्सो वेरी गुजराती। शाकः
सब्जी, हाँ
सब्जी साग। कृशरः खिचड़ी, वेरी गुड स्टफ टुडे।
हाँ ये सब, ये इदम सर्वे नपुंसक, अयं सर्वे नपुंसकलिंग शब्द पुल्लिंग शब्दानि सन्ति। पाचकः मोदकः अपूपः सर्वे अकारान्त पुल्लिंग। अग्रे स्त्रीलिंग। अग्रे स्त्रीलिंग।
रोटिका रोटी, शर्करा शक्कर, सीता चीनी, सूत्रिका सेवई।
हाँ हाँ, तो शक्कर एंड चीनी, sometimes we say jaggery and sugar. शक्कर, हाँ। सूत्रिका सेवई, सेवई उपमा etc. हाँ
that kind.
हाँ।
लपसिका हलवा।
हाँ
सेवई इज वर्मिसेली।
हाँ वर्मिसेली, सत्यम। हाँ
लपसिका हलवा, शशकुली पूरी, that's a new one.
हाँ।
शशकुली
पूरी। अग्रे नपुंसकलिंग।
Okay, continue, yeah. भक्तम भात, पायसम खीर।
तो ये भात को हम ओदन भी बोलते हैं ना, ओदनम पचती, ओदन, भक्तम ओदन।
भक्तम, actually you would not have tied भक्तम with
ओदनम के पर्यायवाची शब्द। then पायसम,
पायसम खीर। then मिष्टान्नम मिठाई, पकवान्नम पकवान, नवनीतम मक्खन, घृतम घृत, लवणम नमक, तक्रम
मट्ठा बटर मिल्क, तक्रम। so this घृतम घी, लवणम salt, नवनीतम मक्खन बटर, पक्व अन्नम इति पक्वान्नम, dry stuff, cooked things. Puri and kachori also you can say is pakwan, right? Pakwa annam, like that. Okay. Agre dhatavaha. Sundar ji. Agre.
There is a concept of ऐसा खाना जिसमें
हाँ वदतु. नहीं एक सेकेंड आबाजी क्या है कॉन्सेप्ट किमस्ति?
सॉरी मुझे लगा आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो आई केप्ट क्वाइट देन. ये जो पकवानम था ना तो एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि जिसमें खाने में पानी का अंश नहीं बच जाता. तो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फूड इज लाइक a lot of times it is cooked on special festivals and things like that. It's differently cooked. जैसे कि पूरी and पराठा. तो पूरी will be considered pakwanam. पराठा won't be. ऐसा है.
It's interesting.
पकवानम जैसे श्राद्ध वगैरह है तो उन दिनों में ऐसे बनाते हैं. It's a different concept actually.
Very interesting. अस्तु अग्रे. सुंदर जी धातवः.
मुझ छोड़ना to leave, लुप नष्ट करना, विद प्राप्त करना, लीपना. What is लीपना?
To cover, spread or cover.
लिप्यति.
हाँ लिपना लिप्यते.
पहले के घर उसके होते थे ना गोबर से लीपा जाता था. Your floor used to be of the mud और आप उसको काउ डंग या किसी से हाथ से ऐसे लीपते थे. Actually it is that. लीपना.
Nice.
Sinchna. So this.
To water the. Yeah.
So all this.
Plant को water करना एक
sinchna. To make moist, not only for plant, for anything, to make it moist. जैसे वक्निना सिंचेत. That sentence comes right in Artha Sangraha in Bradandika also. Vahanina sinchet. You make moist through the Agni. It doesn't work. So anyway, sinchet idi, but there that sich dhatu also comes. So here the mukhya artha here, the mukhya point here is in much, lup, vid, lip, sich, all of these dhatus, nakara will get added. So much will become munchate, lup lumpate, vid vindate, lip limpate, nakara makara whatever, and sich sinchet. In that way there is a sutra, if of interest. My internet is okay, can you hear me or bit off?
No, it's better now. It wasn't good in the beginning, it's good now.
Okay, if it becomes bad, let me know. There is another connection. So there is a sutra for these dhatus. She muchadinam. This one, 7.159. So you see, muchadi antarganasya dhatunam sh pratyaye pare num agamaha bhavati. Num agama nakara, nama whatever. So this much, so you see they have given exactly these dhatus only. Much, lup, vid, limp, sich. Same five. Much, lup, vid, lip, sich. You see, same five dhatus and some others also. Krati, khid, pisha, aveve, all these dhatus are there. For all these dhatus, what happens is she pratyaya pare num sh pratyaya pare num agama bhavati. So it will become munchati. Much becomes munchati. Lup lumpati, lumpate, vindati vindate, vindati vindate, and all these are common words. Limpati limpate, sinchati sinchate, all of these are common. This thing they want to show here in these dhatus. अग्रे व्याकरण मुच एक शेष मुच एक शेष अलुक नए समास. All of these are, so main samasas are over. How many were there? Any copy smarati va? Main samasas? 4. And then which are?
अव्ययी भाव तत्पुरुष उसमें 2 थे, कर्मधारय एंड द्विगु. Then बहुव्रीहि was the 4th.
No.
There was a 3rd one as well.
Bahuvrihi and then Dvandva.
Dvandva.
Not Dvandva. Dvandva. So avyibhava tatpurusha. So avyibhava purva pada pradhano avyibhava. Uttara pada pradhano kim? तत्पुरुष. अन्य पद प्रधानो बहुव्रीहि. उभय पद प्रधानो द्वंद्व. द्विगु नहीं, द्वंद्व. So those 4 plus 2 are over. Now there are 2 more they are given. Aluk and Nay. So these 2 extra we'll see and then they will close. So 6 mainly what we say, 4 are there. Okay. Then 4 में वो दोनों भी है, 2 more. अच्छा ये भी है. तो ये भी है, ये यहाँ पे है. Aluk and Nay समास है. Aluk समास also is like that द्वंद्व एकशेष. Not, you cannot say it is completely exactly like the other samasas. Nay samasa to an extent is like the others. Anyway, we will see now. Before that, मुच धातु के दोनों पदों के दोसों लकार के रूप स्मरण करो. धातु संख्या पंचाशत. 177. हाँ, अस्तु अग्रे धन्यवादः. ये आभाजी कृपया पठतु. लट् उभयपदी लट्.
परस्मैपदी आत्मनेपद उभयपदी लट् मतलब दोनों पढ़ना है, ऐसा कह रहे हैं आप? हाँ. मुंचति मुंचतः मुंचन्ति. मुंचसि मुंचथः मुंचथ. मुंचामि मुंचामः मुंचामि मुंचावः मुंचामः. आत्मनेपद लट् इज मुंचते मुंचेते मुंचन्ते. मुंचसे मुंचेथे मुंचध्वे. मुंचे मुंचावहे मुंचामहे.
So here there is a mistake in the PDF. Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam is not munchente. Abhaji, you read correctly, huh? It is munchete.
पुस्तक में मुंचन्ते है.
मुंचन्ते ठीक है. मुंचे द्विवचनम, not बहुवचनम.
राइट.
बहुवचनम में नकार आएगा, द्विवचन में नहीं होगा.
नहीं, मुंचेते है.
हाँ, तो ये बुक में ठीक है, पीडीएफ में गलत है. ओके, पीडीएफ देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. हाँ, सो दैट इज करेक्ट. एंड देन आबाजी भवति एव लोट.
मुंचतु मुंचताम मुंचन्तु. मुंच मुंचतम मुंचत. मुंचानि मुंचाव मुंचाम. आत्मनेपद लोट. मुंचताम मुंचेताम मुंचन्ताम. मुंचस्व मुंचेथाम मुंचध्वम. मुंचै मुंचावहै मुंचामहै.
Satyam. Does anybody remember in one of the books, one of the pathas, there was this line, ha ha muncha muncha, in our
yeah, it is there.
Which you remember which one?
Actually, this also comes in Bhashya of some Upanishad also.
But which one?
Muncha Shankara uses this.
Bhagavad Acharya. But which Upanishad?
That's what. No,
that's the thing.
The phrase is very familiar. Muncha.
I think maybe in Brihadaranyaka at some point it came. I'm not sure. Muncha muncha, ha muncha muncha, release me. There is so much trouble. Release me. वैसे muncha. मुच धातु छोड़ने का अर्थ में ना, तो मुंच लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष है, एक वचन है. Be to tell somebody, release me, release, ऐसे दुख को. Anyway, so that is here. लंग लकार, आबाजी भवति एव अग्रे. लंग लकार.
अमुंचत अमुंचताम अमुंचन. अमुंचः अमुंचतम अमुंचत. अमुंचम अमुंचाव अमुंचाम. लंग आत्मनेपद. अमुंचत अमुंचत अमुंचेताम अमुंचन्त. अमुंचथाः अमुंचेथाम अमुंचध्वम. अमुंचे अमुंचावहि अमुंचामहि.
विधिलिंग.
मुंचेत मुंचेताम मुंचेयुः. मुंचेहे मुंचेतम मुंचेत. मुंचेयम मुंचेव मुंचेम. आत्मनेपद. मुञ्चेत मुञ्चेयातां मुञ्चेरन् मुञ्चेथाः मुञ्चेयाथां मुञ्चेध्वं मुञ्चेय मुञ्चेवहि मुञ्चेमहि.
Samyak. So everything was all pronunciation correct. The more we read all of these things, it sticks in the head. This munche run, this run for example, run usually comes only in Vidhiling, Atmanepada, Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachanam. It will also come in Ashirling, but generally Prayoga will be only in Vidhiling. So when the question comes, which it will in our Vedanta classes, some muncheran, something else, some other dhatu, but run ending, Atmanepada, Vidhiling, Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachanam. So these small things, they are specific only to that Purusha and Vachana. That much we can remember. For now. Lit lakara, mokshyati mokshata mokshanti. Agre, what will it be? Any guesses? Prathama Purusha mokshyati.
Mokshasi.
Ha. Then?
Moksha. Mokshasi, mokshataha, mokshata.
Then?
Mokshami, mokshavaha, mokshamaha.
Wonderful. Mokshyami, mokshava, mokshamaha. Then for Atmanepada, mokshate, mokshyate, mokshyante, they have given. Then we, the Madhyama Purusha?
मोक्षसे मोक्षेथे मोक्षध्वे.
Then?
मोक्षे मोक्षावहे मोक्षामहे.
You have memory or seeing somewhere? This is
No,
from memory?
I'm looking at the book.
Okay. Mokshe, mokshate, mokshyate, mokshyante. Mokshase, mokshyate, mokshadve. Mokshe, mokshyavahe, mokshyamahe. So this will be Lrit Lakara. Lut, Ashirling, Ring, etc. They have given only Prathama Purusha. That much is enough for now. Mokta, Moktaro, Moktaraha or Mokta, Moktaro, Moktaraha. Lut Lakara, both will be Prathama Purusha are the same. Muchyat, Muchyastam, Muchyasu or Mukshishta, Mukshiyastam, Mukshiran. This is Ashirling. And Ring Lakara, Amokshyat, Amokshyatan, Amokshyam. Or Amokshata, Amokshatam, Amokshanta. More common is this Lit Lakara. Parokshe lit. It happened in the past. That person released something. I didn't see it, but I know he released it. Like even for example, arrow, released arrow. Generally, we will not use muchadhatu for chodne ka artha. I mean arrow, it will be used in chodne ka artha, not in releasing arrow, etc. But in some war, Purana, etc., when you are releasing something, chod rahe hain, isko chod rahe hain, wo guna ko chod rahe hain, wo dosh ko chod rahe hain, वैसे that time you will use, people will use this. Puranas also use this. Mumocha, mumochatuhu, mumuchatuhu, mumuchuhu. Mumochita, mumuchatuhu, mumucha. Mumocha, mumuchiva, mumuchima. Or mumuche, mumuchate, mumuchire, mumuchishe, mumuchathe, mumuchidve, mumuche, mumuchivahe, mumuchimahe. Lung lakara. Amuchat, amuchatam, amuchan. Amuchaha, amuchatam, amuchata. Amucham, amuchava, amuchama. Atmanepada, amukta, amukta. Amukshatam, amukshata. Amukthaha, amukshatam, amugdhvam. Amukshi, amukshvahi, amukshvahi. So there are definite rules and sutras that govern how the ending of each Purusha and Vachana will be. So there are Tiptas, Jisiptas, Tamibvas, all these sutras are there. But those are not Rachananuvada Kaumudi syllabus, so we are not getting into them. But there is a science behind how each word is formed. Agree.
Also commonly we use that vimuchyate, no? Bandhana vimuchyate.
Ha, muchyate.
Yeah, vimuchyate. So V upasarga, then it will be.
There yakara also comes. That yak, sarvadhatuke yak, that will come. Like in Kathopanishad also that mantra is there, right? We 2-2-1, I think, Kathopanishad, fifth valli, first mantra. Now ekadasha dvara, puram ekadasha dvaram, ajasya vakrachetasaha anushtayan shochati vimuktasya vimuchyate. There, vimuchyate, that also comes. Of course, there yak pratyaya is added, not like here.
Okay, thanks.
Great. Back to Abhyasa. Okay. Sorry. Ekashesh. What is this Ekashesha saying? जब उद्देश्य के रूप में प्रथम, so this is a very interesting niyama. This is an extremely interesting niyama. It is like a very unique one. So they have fitted it into this abhyasa. जब उद्देश्य के रूप में प्रथम, मध्यम और उत्तम पुरुष में से 2 या 3 एकत्र हो जाते हैं, इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं, वहां पर क्रिया का रूप निम्नलिखित रूप से रखा जाएगा. सो व्हाट देयर सेइंग इज, एक सेंटेंस में इफ देयर इज वन प्रथम पुरुष एंड इफ देयर इज वन मध्यम पुरुष एंड इफ देयर इज वन उत्तम पुरुष, युष्मद अस्मद, like how we will get in Adhyasa Bhashya now in Brahma Sutra, Yushmad Asmad Pratyaya Gocharayoho. So Yushmad, Ashmad, Asmad, everything is in one same line. So how will you do the Kriya Pada? Will you put the Kriya Pada in accordance with the Yushmad Pada? So for example, examples are given below. Pat Dhatu is taken first. So we can see this, Pat Dhatu. Let us say he and you and I are all studying. So will I say patati or will I say patasi or I will say patami or patanti, patasi, patatha or patamaha. So that rule is given here. जब उद्देश्य के रूप में प्रथम, मध्यम, उत्तम तीनों में से 2 या 3 एकत्र हो जाते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगी? प्रथम और प्रथमा अगर हैं तो ये क है. इफ बोथ आर प्रथमा, सह सा च, स सा च, और एग्जाम्पल दे गिवन क्रिया प्रथम पुरुष होगी अगर दोनों प्रथम. वचन कर्ता की सामूहिक संख्या के अनुसार. सो जैसे राम, कृष्ण और देव कितने हैं? 3. सो दिस विल बी बहुवचन. रामः, कृष्णः, देवः च पठन्ति. बहुवचनम. एंड प्रथम पुरुष, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ देम आर प्रथम पुरुष ओनली. राम जो है, कृष्ण जो है, देव है, जो भी है प्रथम पुरुष ही है. तुम, मैं दोनों नहीं है. तो दिस विल नॉट बी मध्यम पुरुष और उत्तम पुरुष. तो प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनम, सिंपल. यदि रामः, रमा च 2 ही है तो द्विवचनम, पठति, पठतः. और रामः अगर है तो पठति, एक ही वचन, एक वचन. सो प्रथम पुरुष और प्रथम पुरुष ठीक है, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. बट नाउ कम्स द ट्विस्ट. प्रथम पुरुष और मध्यम पुरुष ये अगर है तो क्रिया हमेशा मध्यम पुरुष ही होगी. यू हैव टू टेक मध्यम पुरुष. लाइक हाउ? ओके, वी विल सी दैट एग्जांपल. वचन कर्ता की सामूहिक संख्या के अनुसार. सो अगर 2 हैं तो द्विवचनम, 3 ये और मोर देन 3 सो बहुवचनम. वह और तुम पढ़ते हो. स त्वं च पठतः. तौ त्वं च लिखत. व्हाई इज इट लिखत? शुड बी लिखतः, राइट?
So tau is already 2, right? So doesn't it make it 3?
Correct. So this likhata is which vachana? Dvivachana or bahuvachana?
Bahuvachana.
द्विवचन.
नहीं,
लिखत is द्विवचन ना?
नहीं, पठतः और लिखत. What is the difference?
लिखत without visarga is bahuvachana. With visarga is द्विवचन.
Correct. स त्वम 2 है ना, स और त्वम. बट
विसर्ग वाला,
हाँ,
द्विवचन.
क्योंकि 2 ही है, स और त्वम, वो तुम. बट तौ त्वम वो दोनों,
3 हो गए.
हाँ,
2+1.
सो बहुवचनम लिखत. Likasi, likataha, likatha. So likatha is coming. Sa yuyam cha gachatha. So why is this not gachanti? It should be gachanti, I guess. Right? I think Granthakara has made a
But it's
mistake.
in Madhyama Purusha, no? That's why it's...
Correct.
So therefore, Gachatha.
Yeah, so both Prathama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha is coming together. When they come together, you take Madhyama Purusha. That is all. When only Prathama Purusha is there, take only Prathama. When both are there, take Madhyama. अर्थात प्रथम पुरुष और मध्यम पुरुष में मध्यम पुरुष शेष रहता है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रामः लक्ष्मणः च किम?
Rama Lakshmana cha patataha.
पठतः. सत्य. रामः लक्ष्मणः भवान् च रामः लक्ष्मणः त्वं च किम? पठथ. Even though there are more Prathama Purusha and there is only one Madhyama Purusha, no problem. नैष दोषः. मध्यम पुरुष एक है तो मध्यम पुरुष ही रहेगा क्रियापद, even if there is one. अस्तु अग्रे ग.
So the hierarchy to be remembered is Prathama least important, Madhyama second, and अगर उत्तम है तो उत्तम होगा. अभी हमने उत्तम का केस देखा नहीं है.
Yeah, hierarchy, you can think that way. I am not a fan of the word, but if it makes sense, that's useful.
मतलब याद रखना है तो
Correct.
अच्छा वर्ड
It
बताइए.
is, it is pradhana. That is, I don't know अच्छा word, but see, your understanding is correct. अगर मध्यमा और प्रथमा है तो मध्यमा will take precedence, and उत्तमा मध्यमा है तो that is what they are going to say. यदि उत्तम पुरुष साथ में होगा तो उत्तम पुरुष ही शेष रहेगा. प्रथमा मध्यमा उत्तमा तीनों हैं तो क्या शेष रहेगा? उत्तम पुरुष ही. बट अगर यदि उत्तम पुरुष नहीं है तो मध्यम पुरुष. प्रेसिडेंस, हायरार्की, व्हाटएवर. वचनकर्ता की सामूहिक संख्या के अनुसार. सो तू और मैं. त्वम अहम च पठावः उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचनम.
अहम का फॉर्म लेगा.
हाँ, उत्तम पुरुष. अस्मद् उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन. स त्वम अहम च पठामः. पठामः बिकॉज देयर आर थ्री. स त्वम अहम बहुवचनम. अहम युवाम च. हाँ, अहम युवाम च पठामः. सो यू सी, अहम केवल मैं, युवाम two of you, but then we will say what? Pathamah only. Even though Yushmad is more than only me, but Uttam Purush hai to Uttam Purush. Simple, little complicated sentences. You see how simple it is.
We had a similar interesting sutra where we said depending on the objects that Napunsakalinga will trump over the others, when there's a mix of a few things and
Yes.
one is Pullinga and one is Strilinga and one is Napunsakalinga or something then.
Yes. But that is for Linga. There is no Linga here.
No, there's no Linga here, but that is also something similar where you
Correct.
take.
हाँ, Napumsake. There was one, right? Sheshat Kartari Napumsake or something. No, not that is Parasmaipadam. You are correct. There was a sutra. If you remember the sutra.
Yeah, no, I'll have to search now, but where there is Pullinga and Napunsakalinga, you default to Napunsakalinga, etc.
There is a sutra for sure. Yeah, this one, na? Napumsaka Anyadarasya. Is it? No. No, not this. But there is one.
Search.
Yes.
Yeah, let's not
Is it Napumsaka?
continue with the exercise.
This is a well-known sutra actually. Okay, we'll come back. But it is a well-known sutra.
This is for what? क्रिया में तो लिंग का नहीं है ना. This is for what?
This is for Purusha. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. If Prathama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha are there, then you will take Madhyama Purusha Kriyapada.
This is clear, but what was Sundarji saying? Because that was
Not,
linga related.
not connected, yes.
Kriyapada, right?
Not connected to this. That is some kind of similar idea. Not here, relevant, not here, not relevant here. It is a similar idea. Okay, so this is Ekashesh. There is a sutra here for this Ekashesh. Sarupanam Ekasheshi Eka Vibhaktau, if you want. 1-64. Not be a critical sutra, but it is not for us to say what is critical and what is not. This sutra says this, that Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha will take precedence. If there is no Uttama Purusha and the other two are there, then Madhyama Purusha. If nothing is there, only Prathama Purusha and Prathama Purusha. If Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha, for example, Aham, Tvam, Cha, then which one would you take?
Aham.
Yeah, this is very simple. Uttama Purusha. Aham के
Sorry,
क्रिया
what was the number? 1-64 was it?
हाँ जी 1-64. अग्रे नए समास. एकशतम चतुष्षष्टि 164 नए समास. नहीं अर्थ वाले नए का जब दूसरे शब्द के साथ समास होता है तो उसे नए समास कहते हैं. नहीं अर्थ वाले ने, यदि बाद में व्यंजन रहता है तो नए का अ रहेगा. यदि कोई स्वर बाद में हो तो अन रहेगा. जैसे न ब्राह्मणः अब्राह्मणः. इसी प्रकार अस्वस्थः अस्वस्थः
अनस्वस्थः
न स्वस्थः.
अच्छा, अन रहेगा मतलब?
अन रहेगा जब बाद में स्वर हो तो. न अन यहाँ पे देखिए, न उचितः इति अनुचितः अन आएगा ना.
अच्छा, बाद में स्वर हो तो आई डिड द उल्टा.
न आगतः न आगतः he has not come, she has not come, न आगतः. Then you put an because a is swara. अस्वस्थ में बाद में कौन सी पद है?
बाद में व्यंजन है.
हाँ,
स है.
स्वस्थ.
तो हम सिर्फ अ लगाएंगे.
सत्यम. न स्वस्थ इति अस्वस्थ. And for this अन्याय,
न्याय इज द शब्द, न है तो सिर्फ अ लगेगा.
तो विग्रह will be
न्याय नहीं है उसे अन्याय कहते हैं.
न न्यायः.
न न्याय.
जैसे
न प्रियः.
हाँ, and
न सुंदरः.
हाँ, जो सुंदर नहीं है वो असुंदर है. हाँ, सो न उपस्थितः अन
ये
उपस्थित.
हमारे सुंदर जी की तो बात ही नहीं हो सकती. वो तो
हाँ.
सुंदर है.
Yes. So whoever is not Sundarji is not Sundar. हाँ.
You are doing Arthapati Kalpana now without video.
न उपस्थितः. So ऊ आएगा, ऊ है स्वर. न उपस्थितः. Then you get an because there is swara. न उपस्थितः अनुपस्थितः. न उचितः अनुचितः. न आगतः अनागतः. वैसे what is this?
न उदारः अनुदारः.
And this?
स्ट्रिंजेंट.
हाँ.
अनीश्वरवादी. ओके. न ईश्वरवादी ही.
सत्यम. न ईश्वरवादी अनीश्वरवादी. But there is an interesting point here. So this Naya Samasa, there is a Mukhya Sutra for Naya Samasa, like how we have got sutras for all the others. Sankhya Purva Dviguhu, Tatpurusha Samanadhikarana, all that. There is a sutra. Any guesses what the sutra will be? This is the most obvious guess. That is a hint. Naya Samasa is...
It will be some Naya Sutra or something.
That's all. The sutra is Naya.
इस शब्द के पहले न या अन लगता है पर नए समास होता है.
हाँ, तो what is the sutra? This is the sutra. 226 Naya. That's all.
Naya.
This is the मुख्य सूत्र. नए समर्थेन सुबंतेन सह समस्यते तत्पुरुषस्य समासो भवति.
ये तो पुस्तक में है वही.
हाँ?
The one that is already in the book वही है. I thought there will be a newer. ये नए समास तो नियम 164.
पुस्तक में नए समास वैसे है ना, नए समास.
हाँ.
सूत्र is not नए समास. सूत्र is नए.
नए. Okay.
They have not given. So you see, some people argue that this is also Tatpurusha only. Because there is no kind of, there is nothing new or nothing, just Uttarapada Pradhana. If I want to say, one of these examples we can take, Anyaya. Anyaya mein Uttarapada is Nyaya, right? So whatever that, it is not Nyaya, na Nyaya iti Anyaya. So why don't you just take like that? Somebody may say. So that is why it is said Tatpurushasya Samaso Bhavati. But you can take as Naya Samasa just to really understand. Naya Samasa.
Specifically negation के लिए है ये. That's all.
Naya Samasa.
And can now be the Visheshana?
You can take that way. Yes, Visheshna Visheshya, that way you can.
के लिए द्विगु बनाया है.
Correct.
संख्या को एक विशेष महत्व देके.
Like, हाँ, वैसे ही लोग argue पूर्व पक्ष और सिद्धांत or whatever. शंका will be like this. जैसे त्रिभुवनम में 3 है संख्या. Why can't I just say abhavanam or something? नए समास. So that way we will argue. So you can say.
But the thing is that 3, we don't call it as a upasarga. But whereas etc. can be a upasarga, right?
No, ang is upasarga.
Is upasarga.
An is not upasarga. An is naya samasa only.
Naya samasa only. Okay.
Then there is another interesting point here. So there is a sutra for this naya. Nalopo nayaha. There is this sutra. Nayo nakarasya lopo bhavati. Uttarapade. So you see Uttarapade. Nakarasya lopaha. Uttarapada pradhana is Tatpurusha, right? So some people will say, oh, it is like Tatpurusha Samasa, like Sankhya Purva Dviguhu, like Dvigu Samasa only. Yeah, okay. But we can call it Naya Samasa anyway. Like how we say Dvigu Samasa, Karmadhare Samasa. We understand they are all Uttarapada Pradhana. But we still call them by their names. Like that, Naya Samasa. Nayo nakarasya lopo bhavati. Okay. But there are exceptions. For example, any guesses?
Sorry, 1 sec. When we say nakarasya lopo bhavati, that is because we are saying na nyaya, so therefore that na is lopa.
Correct. Na nyaya mein, it is not nanyaya, right? It is anyaya. It is not nanyaya.
Clear.
But there is an exception here. So any guesses what nail is in Sanskrit? Nail.
Yeah.
It came in Vedanta. Nakha.
Nakha.
Correct, Abhaji. Nakha. Nakha mein there is Naya Samasa.
No akha.
No kham. Kham is?
No kham.
What is
No
kham?
kham. हाँ, I
Come
know
is
this.
space.
Space.
Come is space.
Akasha.
पूरा चिपका रहता है ना thumb से. There is no space between
Correct.
the thumb and the nakha.
So ये नख में space नहीं है. न खम अस्ति इति नखः. That is the paribhasha. But if it is न खम अस्ति, should it not be akham? Because that is what this sutra says, right? Nalopo nayaha. In Naya Samasa, nalopo happens. So na kham asti should be not nakaha, it should be akaha, right?
So there is an exception for kham.
6375 is the sutra, not only for kham, for all these. This is a very interesting sutra.
Adi.
हाँ, न भ्राण न पान न वेदान न सत्या न मुचि न कुल नख नपुंसक नक्षत्र नक्र नाकेशु प्रकृत्या. All these shabdas. इसी काशिका कार न भ्राजते इति न भ्राट, न पाति इति न पात, न वेत्ति न वेदाः, न नासत्याः. This is न सत्याः असत्याः, but then न asatyaha, what would you say? Na asatyaha. Because if I said, like how naya samasa, na satya, okay, asatya. What if it is na not asatya? Then what to say?
Yeah.
Or that na asatya.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have said you have said anasatya.
All something like that. But it is not that. So this sutra gives the exception for these words. It is na asatya. Na munchati iti na muchihi. That Rakshasa was there, right?
पुस्तक में दिया है ना ये exception?
पुस्तक में नहीं दिया.
नहीं दिया. Okay, we are learning it.
It came in one of our classes, which is why I have brought it up. Not recently, more than a year ago, in some class, I don't remember which one, maybe Kathopanishad or Dakshinamurti Stotra or one of these things, it had come. This Nabran, Napan, Navedan. So for that reason, we are seeing. So here you see for.
So if you do anything like a stuti, तो उसमें कई बार नखा शब्द आता है.
हाँ, in Bradanyaka that is right. A nakha grebyo. That Purusha is going till the nakha. In first chapter there is a mantra. A nakha grebyo. Prasiddha mantra. Bradanyaka, if you want number we can.
नखा शिखांतरा ऐसा भी शब्द आता है नख से शिखा तक.
But that is not Upanishad. Right, that is.
No, but ये स्तुतिज में और
Yes.
in Shastra we do see this.
In Shastra, yes, correct. In Shastra it is there. So,
जैसे it is in सौंदर्य लहरी जहाँ पर नखों की कांति का भी वर्णन है.
Nice. So this in Bradanyaka it is what is it? Nakha. Number. You see this? 147. Oh, see, Mukhya Mantra. This is Vidya Sutra is here. Vidya Sutra will come later in this mantra only. Atme, see? Atme Tevo Pasita. This is that Vidya Sutra mantra. 147. Here, Anakagrebhyo. Yathakshuraha Akshuradhane. Sorry. You see? स एष इह प्रविष्टः आनखाग्रेभ्यो यथाक्षुरः अक्षरदाने अवहितः स्यात्. So this maybe in this context only that sutra came. I don't know. Anyway, nakha na asya kham asti iti nakham. You see, it is not akham, it is nakham. Same for napumsaka. Na stri na puman. That has become napumsaka. Any questions before we go ahead? Okay. Can you hear me? I think
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Final समासा अलुक समास. कुछ स्थानों पर बीच की विभक्ति का लोप नहीं होता. Is my internet a bit weak? Connection is off? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me now or should I change connections?
Let's try. It's not so bad. Screen तो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है अच्छे से. We have to refer to our own space.
हाँ तो no you have books
Voice,
ना.
I think we can manage.
Anyway, there's only little to go.
हाँ there's only 3 lines in the book. That book page number 102 last paragraph. अलुक समास. कुछ स्थानों पर बीच की विभक्ति का लोप नहीं होता है, उसे अलुक कहते हैं. सो इन तत्पुरुष समास, राइट, बीच की विभक्ति का लोप हो जाता है या नहीं? Any guesses?
Yes, it does.
It does. For example,
Like in
Rajapurusha. Rajnyah Purushah.
राज्ञः पुरुषः में राजपुरुष हो गया, विग्रह चला गया.
हाँ, बीच की विभक्ति नहीं है, बट कहीं कहीं बीच की विभक्ति रहती है. तो देन व्हाट विल वी से? लोप नहीं होता है, सो उसको कहते हैं अलुक समास. परस्मै पदम. एक्चुअली परस्मै पदम में it should really be what? If this is Tatpurusha Samasa, what should it be? Any guesses?
क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा.
So in Tatpurusha Samasa you said बीच की विभक्ति लोप हो जाता है. Rajnyah Purushah will not be Rajnya Purusha, right? Or Rajnyo Purusha. It is going to be Raja Purusha. बट यहाँ पे आलुक समास में वो बीच की विभक्ति लोप नहीं होता. लोप डजंट हैपन. लोप. सो इट विल स्टे, दैट विभक्ति विल स्टे. सो एग्जाम्पल दे हैव गिवन परस्मै पदम as aluk samasa example. Now let us say it is tatpurusha samasa. What should it be?
परस्य और
परह पदम.
Paraha padam.
नहीं, तो स्मयी कैसे आएगा ना फिर?
Paraha, this is prathama ना. राजपुरुष में
और परम पदम.
परपदम.
परपदम.
परपदम. राजपुरुष में हम राजा पुरुष नहीं कहते हैं ना. व्हाट वी से? राजा पुरुष. विच विभक्ति विल दिस बी? If this is Tatpurusha, will it be Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Tritiya Tatpurusha, Chaturtha Tatpurusha, Chaturthi Tatpurusha, Panchami Tatpurusha, Shashti Tatpurusha or Saptami Tatpurusha? Or Karmadharaya? Parapadam, if we said. Parasmai Padam, if you are saying, is Parapadam. Then?
Should be only Dvitiya Tatpurusha, no?
Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. No, not Rama. You take... Okay. Saha tau te, tam tau taha, tena tabhyam taihi, tasmai tabhyam tebhyaha. Tasmai is which vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Parasmai. Tasmai. Parasmai.
So, Parasmai. So it's Chaturthi.
This is Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa.
Ha, it should. So if we said this is Parapadam, not Parasmai Pada. We say, right? Parasmai Pada. Instead of Parasmai Pada, if we said Parapada, then it would become Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. But it is not Chaturthi Tatpurusha. हाँ.
विग्रह करेंगे तो अर्थ चतुर्थी विभक्ति वाला है.
Correct.
लेकिन हम पहले पद में विभक्ति ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं. Therefore it will be Tatpurusha, Chaturthi Tatpurusha.
Correct.
If we keep the vibhakti, then it is Aluk Samasa.
Exactly. Here we are keeping the vibhakti. Parasmai Padam. So it is Aluk Samas. Same way for Atmane Padam. Atmane Padam will be Atma Padam, like Parapadam. Yudhishthira will be Yudhira. Sarasijam, what will it be? Any guesses? Or Manasi Jaha. This is better. Manasi Jaha. Any guesses what it should be?
Is it Manasi Ajaha?
So Manasi will be what?
Manasi Saptami.
So this will, if we said Tatpurusha, then it should be?
It should be Saptami Tatpurusha. So it will be in the Mana.
Manajaha.
Manaja.
Manas is the Pratipadika.
Manas is Pratipadika. So it will just be Manaja. But it is not. It is Manasi Jaha. Like Sarasija.
Manas Chaturthi एक appropriate शब्द होता?
No, it is not appropriate. That's the thing. Like if it were appropriate, it would become Tatpurusha. But it is not appropriate. So what should we do?
So
because
we will never have a shabda which can be Tatpurusha Tatpurusha as well as this. It will be either of them.
Generally not. So these examples they have given, this Parasmai Padam, it will not make sense to say Parapadam. You can say, why not? It is Chaturthi Tatpurusha, I will do. Yeah, okay. But
It will be Ashuddha. It will be Ashuddha.
that big truck is going. Correct. So this is not that. And we say Parasmai Padam only. We will not say Parapadam. ये विद धातु का परस्मै पद लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष परस्मै पद only. We will not say parapada lot lakara prathama purusha etc. So where that vibhakti is not dropped, that is called aluk samasa. So there are 8 in total. 8 samasa in total. First one was Avyay Bhava, Tatpurusha, Bahuvrihi, Dvandva. These 4 are the main ones. But then in Tatpurusha these 2 come. And
Sankhya,
Dvigu samasa. Along with that 2 more are given. Naya samasa, aluk samasa. With this samasa prakaranam ends. Tomorrow we will do that.
Naya and aluk we are saying is part of Tatpurusha.
You can say it is part of Tatpurusha, but we are not saying that. We are just saying, we are seeing all 8 separately only. We are not going to say this is part of this, as part of this. Like for example, if I said Tribhuvanam with samasa, we don't need to say Tatpurusha. We just have to say Dvigu samasa.
Dvigu.
Like for example, many times this question comes, right? With samasa is it Karmadharaya? We don't have to say, Karmadharaya Tatpurusha. Karmadharaya alone is enough. Like that, aluk.
No. But even in this book, they have not given these 2 as part of Tatpurusha like Karmadharaya and Dvigu.
Yeah, they have not. But for example, in that Naya Sutra that we saw in 226, this Naya Sutra is there, right? Here you see Kashi Kakara what he writes. Naya Samarthena Subantena Saha Samasyate Tatpurushascha Samaso Bhavati. There are people who will say that this is Tatpurusha only. But we don't have to. This book is not saying that. This book is just saying.
This book has taken an interesting approach. For the 2, it has clubbed under Tatpurusha. For the other 2, it has not.
Yeah.
It has taken some intermittent.
No. Those 2 are clearly Tatpurusha. Only the Vibhakti and the number Sankhya is there. This is not so clearly Tatpurusha. Okay, you can say Na is there, but there is something more. So they have given separate. It is good if we can just remember Naya Samasa, Aluk Samasa. This way, if we can remember, is good.
Okay.
Any questions before we end?
No, but very nice. It's the Samasa ending is another good milestone.
So tomorrow we'll do this Abhyasa. And today is Tritiya, right? Tomorrow Chaturthi we do Abhyasa. Panchami we will just do a full recap of all samasas. At the end of the Rachananuada Kaumudi, or maybe even Wednesday, we will see, Wednesday matlab Panchami, we can try to do some exercises and identify the samasa and do the vigraha that we can do all together. If we can put, I'll try to find some resource. If it is not available, then by the end of the book it will become available and we can do that.
It'll be good if Sumanjay ji is able to join. He has joined so many classes. So
now he has the recording, so it's okay.
No, he's got the recording, but it'll be because he contributes a lot as well. So if he can make the next 2 classes, it'll be good.
Right. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do the Abhyasa. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमोद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम।